Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica, Make Things Simple. So today I'm gonna make clean some chicken, and I'm gonna teach you, I'll show you how to clean your chicken and how to season it up. So today I'm using some chicken breasts. So not chicken breast, drumstick. So I'm gonna take off the skin, take off all the skin off my drumstick. So welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please help me to grow my channel. I would really appreciate it. So my channel will be about cooking, like to season up meat and how you clean your meat and stuff like that. Sometimes you try to take it off, it's kind of hard to come out, so just cut it. Can just cut it off. And then you can cut it. So when you cut it like this, then it, when you season it up, so the seasoning will go into the meat. So I'm gonna bake these chicken drumstick. Just pour with the knife. Okay. So now we're gonna throw this in the garbage. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna wash my chicken with some vinegar. So I'm gonna put some water and then vinegar. So when you use vinegar, you take the rawness off the chicken. So you're gonna wash the chicken with some vinegar. And then you make it soak. Let it soak for a while in the vinegar. Okay. So I'm gonna leave this in the vinegar for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Because I want to make sure all the rawness come off the chicken. So you just wash the chicken with the vinegar, water. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna leave the chicken to soak for a minute. So now I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay guys, so now that I'm soaking the vinegar, the drumstick in vinegar. So now I'm gonna wash the vinegar, wash off, change the water, rinse off the meat. Yes, so I'm gonna rinse the meat off, take off all that vinegar water, and then I'm gonna put some fresh water to rinse the meat off. Rinse the meat off in fresh water and so get rid of all the vinegar. The whole purpose of the vinegar, guys, is to get the rawness off the chicken. So when you cook the chicken, it doesn't have that raw smell or taste. So now that I take off all the vinegar, pour that water out. So I'm going to pour the water out and rinse it one more time. Okay, so now I'm gonna strain this water off. Guys, so get all the water off. If you're doing a lot of chicken, guys, you can get a different bowl. So you could take, put the meat in a different bowl instead of drain it like how I'm doing it. But I'm doing it this way because it's not a lot of chicken. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna wash my seasoning that I'm gonna use to season up my meat. I'm gonna use some sweet pepper, some tomato, some onions, and I have green onion or scallion. So I'm gonna wash these. I'm washing this, and I have garlic. You wash all those stuff, and then now I'm gonna cut it up in the meat. So let me make sure I get rid of the rest of the water. See, so completely drain the water off. Now I'm gonna cut up my onion. So guys, you're gonna as I said, wash the meat and soak it in the vinegar for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then you wash off the vinegar water, wash it off, wash the meat about 3 times. So now I'm cutting up my onion. Guys, please support my channel. This is a new channel I'm starting, so please support. I will be doing simple stuff on my channel. So simple stuff like season up meat and stuff like that. So now I'm cutting up my sweet pepper. So I'm gonna put this chicken in the oven, guys. So I'm gonna season it up and leave it to soak or marinate. In the afternoon, I'm gonna put it in the oven in the afternoon. So this is gonna be marinating for a couple of hours before I'm ready to cook. So I'm gonna bake it in the oven. So if you have an oven that have air fryer, you could put it on the air fryer, or you could just bake it regular bake. So now I'm cutting up my garlic. That's it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put my dry seasoning. So I have garlic powder, onion powder, powder seasoning, spice, allspice, cayenne pepper, black pepper, ginger powder, and thyme and paprika. So these are all my powder seasoning that I'm gonna put. I don't use salt in my meat, guys, because I do low sodium. So one of my powder season have a little bit of salt in it, so I use one powder season with salt and one without salt, so I don't have to use a lot of the one with salt. So now I'm gonna put some jerk seasoning. Jerk seasoning is spicy, so don't put too much in your meat unless you're a person who likes spice. So that one is spicy, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. And now I'm gonna put my this is my scallion that I blend. So I keep this in my fridge. So I blend this is scallion, garlic, and garlic in this. So that's it. And then because I'm gonna put it in the oven, so I like to put a little bit of mustard. So that's a little bit of mustard, maybe I would say a teaspoonful. And then I like to put a little bit of barbecue sauce. So maybe that's a tablespoonful of barbecue sauce. And I put a dash of oil. That's a little bit of oil. And then I'm gonna mix everything together. Yes guys, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna let this marinate until afternoon. About 3 o'clock I'll be cooking this in the oven. So guys, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. All seasoned. So later, all seasoned. So this will stay in the oven. Just because it's very hot today, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it stay there until about 3 o'clock. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please help me to support my channel, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Erica Simple Content. Thank you very much. So guys, before I end my video, I'm going to show you what I do after I finish cleaning my chicken. So this is some bleach and water. So I just put it in a bottle and I spray the sink with the bleach to get rid of, you know, all those, prevent bacteria from the sink. So you just spray the bleach, or you could just pour some bleach. This bottle is not spraying properly. So You put a little bit of soap, and then you wash down the sink and the counter. See, you wash down the sink and the counter and the faucet where you put your hand while you're cleaning the chicken. You wash down the sink, and then you take everything out and you wash, just to prevent bacteria from spreading in your sink. So you just wash down your sink with some bleach and water and soap. So you clean down everything, then you wash out the sponge. Yes guys, so now you leave the sink clean from all that. Can smell the bleach. Don't use too much bleach guys, because bleach is very strong. So the knife also, you wash down the knife with the same bleach and stuff. Everything you use, you wash it down with bleach. Not a lot of bleach though. Yes guys, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching Erica's Simple Content. I appreciate it. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share please. Thank you.